Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I am going to share some of the important information in angel broking application. While investing, we should know some of the important information, like what are things we have to do and what are things we should not do. So I am going to explain all those things. So before going to my topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also you should share to your friends. Also for any clarification you can comment. So let us come to the topic. So how to manage our portfolio? That is what are the things we should not do, or how we can manage our portfolio. So whenever you are doing trading, the basic things we should know, like what are the shares we have to purchase, or where we have to invest. So most of the people are not aware like where we have to invest. So the people will know, normally the people will go with the smaller shares like Idea, or like that even like Reliance Communication, like where the shares which are having less than 10 rupees value. So I personally recommend you that we should not recommend on those companies, because always whenever you are going to invest the money, we should invest our money in a reputed company. Like we have a lot of reputed companies. So I'm going to tell you how we are going to set our portfolio. So if you are investing in a small companies, or like mostly I will tell you, like we should not invest our money in a bank nifty or nifty, because nifty, if you are investing, we know like there is a nifty every week, there is a expiry, and every month there will be monthly expiry. So when people are investing on nifty, it's like for example right now we can see the nifty values 9461. So what normally people will do, people will invest on nifty, and suddenly the price, if the within 1 week that strike rate has to come. If it is not coming, automatically our price will go, and finally it will become zero. That is why most of the people are become failure and they lose money. So whenever you are investing, take a reputed company and invest. So like if you are going on intraday, take a reputed company, and you know like how much loss is going to be there. So normally people what they do there, because in nifty and bank nifty not require too much investment. So people think like, okay, if I can put 10,000, I can make 1 lakh in a day. So they are not imagine about their risk. If you are putting in 10,000 in a bank, you are not able to make 1 lakh in 1 year or even 10 years. So that you have to keep in mind. So always you have to work based on your investment. So if you are investing 10,000, you should aim for 1,000 rupees per day. So that we can make easily. So that is what I am telling you. Have to select a stock, reputed companies, and based on the sectorial basis. So sectorial basis, how we can prepare our portfolio, or how we can see like which are the sectors are performing. So that I will be explaining in my next video. So like detailedly I will be explaining on the next video. So you can kindly subscribe to my video, and you can wait for the upcoming videos. Like I will be explaining you where we can find those things, where we can see the sectorial basis, which are the sectors are performing well. So based on that we can decide like which stocks to take. So when first thing I will tell you, like we are going to prepare a portfolio. So whenever you are going to prepare a portfolio, like you can see my portfolio. So normally I will keep like I will keep like firstly I will keep some of the healthcare industries. So like you should know like which are the important healthcare industries. And whenever I select a stock, I normally don't go below 500 rupees shares, because there is no movement. So whenever you are selecting a stock, select above 500 rupees, and minimum should buy minimum 50 shares. See, if you are buying for 1 or 2 shares, there will be brokerage plus taxes. So you won't be getting profit. So if you are buying 50 shares, at least 10 points you will be getting 500 rupees. So out of 500 rupees, after all the tax, everything deductions, you will be getting around 450 or something like that. So always you have to keep like that. At least if you are working in a share market, at least you should buy 50 shares. For 1 shares you are buying for 1 rupees, 2 rupees, and you will exit immediately with 1 or 2 rupees. Don't do like that trading, because you won't be getting any profit. So here you can see like how I have settled my portfolio. You can see like some of the hospitals I have taken IPCA Love. Then you can see like Ajanta Pharma, DVS Love. Like that you can select based on like which are the good healthcare. Then secondly, if I go to, I will be selecting some of the banks. You can see some of the bank I have selected here is IndusInd Bank. Then you can see here HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, and HDFC. So these are the bank settle I will be selecting. So based on the sectorial, I will go and see which sector is performing for the today. So that I will be explaining in my next video. So based on sector we can take. Then again if I go to IT, so some of the good IT companies I'll be selecting. Here you can see NIT Tech or L&D, even Infosys, TCS, like that companies I'll be adding to my portfolio. Then after that you can add some of the important companies like Asian Paint, you can Fidelity Industries, Jugal Food, like that you can Titan, ACC, Reliance, lot of good companies are there. So all the company shares is like a more than 500 rupees. So there will be getting good movement. So based on that movement only you have to select the stock. So always you should avoid buying Nifty like Bank Nifties, even like penny stock like Reliance Communications or you can Ideas. Those stocks always you have to avoid from your watch list. So if you are going with bulk shares and you are not even going to get any profit, so you have to keep those things in mind, and whenever you are going to buy something, how you can buy in advance. So like today you can see like in the group, when I am providing a free tips also in the group, you can see I think most of the people are watching on the group. So if you are not there in the member, you can join to this group. So today you can see what are the calls I have given. So like this is my group. If you want to join here, I'll be giving the group link in the description. So you can go to my videos description link and you can click on the group link and you can join. So here I have given, you can see like today morning onwards I was given what call I was given. So today I was given like I was told you like today is a Thursday. So every month there will be weekly expiry, and every month and Thursday there will be weekly expiry as well as monthly expiry. So that you have to be careful. So today I told to buy Asian Paint above 1630, and the stop loss was 1615, and you can see the target is achieved within 50 minutes. So and what was my profit, and almost 2400 rupees I achieved within 10 minutes. That is the power of research. So that is the reason I am telling you, like if you are going with a good shares or good companies, you can make good profit. If you are going with a what is like unreputed companies, your money will be getting freezed or you won't be getting any profit. So always you have to be careful with these things. And whenever I am giving, see for example I am giving an entry at 630, 1630. So I will be giving like you should buy, you can buy in advance. So most of the people they don't know how to give an advance buy. So what you have to do means, if you want to do any advance buy, how you can do an advance buy. So what you have to do, means, see for example you can see Asian Paint in the top. Okay, just for an example I will be showing you, like now current rate is 1644. So I am asking you to buy above 1650. So how you can buy? So just I am going to explain how we can going to buy that. So just click on this and you can see here buy or sell. So just click on buy. So just click on buy and you can move to detailed order. So just click on detailed order. Here you can see like where to buy. So here what you have to do means, just click on here stop loss button, and you have to select the stop loss button, and you have to enter, like for example just I will show you with 2 quantities. So always you have to select 50 quantities, don't go with 1 quantity. This is just for an example I will show you, and you have to enter like what is the given price I am telling you to buy, 6150. So just you have to enter here. In advance you have to set ready, so that once it is active, not required to order again. So immediately if it is active, you can just go and place a stop loss. So just go to market, and here you have to select as intraday. So only these options you have to keep. Then you can directly, what you can do, directly you can go here, can submit the order. See, you have submitted the order. You can see the order is submitted now. See, it will be on pending only. If only it comes to 1650 only, it will execute. So if the call is not active, you can cancel the order. So always what people will say, after active only they will go and buy in some other different prices. So always try to buy in the same price. So you can, if you want to see, you can see the price 1650. Then only it will get active. Anytime you can cancel. See, if you want to cancel this order, just go here and cancel. So once this order is executed, you can see like I will be sending you like messages to the call is active. That time what you can do, you can go to there and you can put, okay, once the call is active, you will be getting like this message. So like buy will be active like in the morning call. Okay, this is the morning call, and here you will be getting stop loss. Just click here and what are the stop loss you are planning to put here. Like only you have to enter the stop loss here. Then you have to like for example 30 you are going to keep the stop loss, and here you have to change this to market. Then you have to submit. Then this order will be pending because this is a stop loss order. So like that you can order. So I think this topic is very clear, and based on the portfolio you can manage, and you can see my today's goal and how was the target. See, the target was achieved within 50 minutes, and I was given the target of 1645, and the target is achieved, and you can see here like I have told to close the positions. So how much profit I have booked? Almost 2400 rupees I have booked, and you can see like some of my clients how they have booked. You can see here here you can see like 1500. If you see here 1000, like a lot of people clients are doing trading. See 750, you can see 200, 300, 3500, 700, 1500, like that. A lot of people are booking profit. So this is how you have to select your portfolio. Always you have to select the reputed companies, and based on that only you have to work out. So avoid nifties, avoid bank nifties, avoid small shares, and you have to manage your stock. You have to see like which are the sectors are performing. We have a lot of sectors like FMG, we have health industries, we have bank. Also all those things I will be explaining on the next videos. So if you are seeing first time my videos, kindly subscribe my videos. So kindly subscribe my videos and share to your friends. And if you have any doubts, you can comment or you can WhatsApp me, and you can join the group I have given in the description. Group link I have given in the descriptions. So these are like my profit, you can see here. So kindly subscribe and share to your friends. So thank you for watching.